So I may have bought something out of the normal last night, but it's not from around here. It's from Texas. What do you guys think? Bought myself a two-door Grand Prix Special Edition one owner car. It's a pretty sad story with this. They told me the whole story. The son went to Texas. He's from Ontario and went to schooling and had a great time at schooling. Bought this car as soon as he graduated. Came back to Ontario. Never drove it because he worked down there his whole time. But he bought it down there. Got sick. Came home. Drove this thing home around in the summer and then got real sick and couldn't do anything to it. And unfortunately, he passed away. And the car's been sitting for quite some time. It sat inside for many years, and then it got pulled outside a couple years ago, and it's been sitting there ever since. Can't really get into it yet, but I want to try to throw a battery into this thing and get it off the trailer. So the first things first, I need to get this thing off the trailer. The rear brakes are seized, front brakes are not. So I'm just going to smack these back brakes with some sledgehammers for a bit, try to get it to roll off. It's also been WD-40'd overnight, so she's already kind of soaking and getting loose. So we're just going to try to get this thing off the trailer. I have not heard it run. I've not heard anything to do with this thing yet, so I just want to get it off the trailer. There she goes. And it's off. So let's get a good look at this car. Show you guys around the interior, show you guys underneath the hood, show you guys all around this car. Like I said, it's a little out of ordinary, so I'm a little new to it, but I'm happy. She's starting to show her age, that's for sure, but we'll see. So this car is a special edition, and I'm not sure what that means, but I did luck out and get another 3100 in these things. If you guys remember, my Grand Prix, no, that was a Buick Regal I ran, actually had a 3100 in it, which is pretty rare. And a 3100 in this is actually pretty rare as well. But usually these come with like 3.4s or 3.8s, I think. 3100, I think, is actually a pretty rare motor to put into it. I love the door handles on these. Interior is actually really, really nice. He started taking the dash apart to fix a heater core, is what I was told. So the glove box has been taken out and all that fun stuff. Overall, the car is not that bad a shape. It does have a lot of miles on it. 271,000 miles, not kilometers, miles. That's right. This is an American Texas car, so it's in miles. Second gear start. Don't know what that button's for. I guess it's to start the transmission in second gear. I have not even tried to put a battery into this thing yet. I have not even opened the trunk. I've just looked underneath it, and this thing is immaculate. I kind of want to drive it. It's got steering wheel controls. This thing is a pretty sick car for 1995. I'm going to throw a battery into this and see if it will start up. I don't even know if the motor's seized or not. Let's start this. Let's try this thing to start it. Oh. Harley, did you just get him? Where'd you get him from? Well, I was trying to find a battery. Harley found a little baby bunny. She's getting old. I'm not going to hurt it. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to let Harley hurt it. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to go let this guy go, and then we're going to put a battery inside this car. Well, with the whole bunny fiasco all settled up, let's try to start this car. It's a side post battery, so I can get rid of all the top post stuff I have on the side post. And put her in. Then hook up the positive first, just like any average human. But I do have to say, it is some hot today. It's, I believe, the temperature gauge outside my house and what the radio's saying is like 32 degrees Celsius. And then the humidity on top of that is unbearable. They're saying it's like an extra 12 degrees with humidity today. I'm probably going to get a couple comments from you guys telling me, oh, if the car sat for that long, you should try doing this and doing this. And I agree. I really do. But right now, I'm just really interested to see if this thing runs. I haven't even checked the oil yet or anything like that. Actually, you know what? I should check the oil. The oil looks brand new in this. Maybe it's because it sat so long and all the impurities have gone to the basement, the bottom of it. But I don't know. I'm going to give it a try now. Got a better connection on that battery. I think the starter might be dead. Oh no, there we go. That sounds weird. Oh, I don't like the sound of this. I don't think this thing's gonna start up. I think the starter just bit the dust. But did it turn over? I was pretty sure I heard it turn over. Let's just try putting a little bit extra power to this and see if it starts up. Hopefully the starter is okay. Yeah, I think the starter might be pooched. I think the starter's completely pooched. It's not doing anything now. Yeah, I don't think this thing's going to start. I think that starter's done. But so maybe this car is going to need a little bit more work than what I was thinking it was going to need. But who knows? We have it. We have it. A little let down by the motor, but let's go take a look at the trunk. See what it's like back here. I haven't seen inside this trunk yet. Oh, there's the glove box, a creeper, some random nuts and bolts, some Chinese bearings of some kind. Watch it be spiders, Chinese spiders. Oh, it's like a door sealant. Got a little air compressor. And this end, Motor Corporation. Bet you those are expired. Jack stand, ShamWow, creeper, here's what, let's take a look at this. There you go. Look how nice those real wheel wells are on this. That's what I was hoping for. So this is the reason why I bought it. I have never seen a W body this clean in Ontario in my entire life. Just to show you guys how clean it is, I'm gonna get down on the ground. Look at this. This has to be the cleanest W body I have ever seen. Gas tank's a little rusty, even where the rear mounts go in, their trailing arms looks good. Just a little bit of surface, nothing really. Even the pinch welds the whole way down the car is immaculate. It just sucks that the motor has given me issues. So I don't really have time to try to put a starter onto this right now, so I'm probably just going to take this car and put it in the backyard and then just wait for the off season. So probably this winter I'll look into this car and give it some good effort and some good time that it actually deserves and see what we can do to it, because this car here, I want it to be something good. It's something special. It even says right on the door, very special edition. So we'll have to see what we can do with this thing. But thanks everybody for watching, and I'm happy I bought this. It's a little bit out of the normal for me, but I'm happy to get it. So thanks for watching. See you back here tomorrow.